What you see here is a support system that I have set up on my site. This is a regular support page, but I can also integrate it with a WooCommerce. As you see, there is a custom tab for support. I can create a ticket, and since it's integrated with WooCommerce, I can even choose an order number that the support ticket is related to. Or if I'm using Tutor LMS plugin, it has also integration with this one. I can select the course the ticket is related to. On backend, I can see all the tickets, I can respond them, I can add the staff who will deal the tickets, I can use saved replies and so on. Basically one mighty support system that can do all sorts of stuff. So today I'm gonna show you how to add this one to your site and also how to integrate it with the WooCommerce. If you're interested, then jump in. The plugin we are going to use today is called Fluent Support. Now, in order to avoid confusion, in this video I'm going to show you the features of the free version and I'm going to show you the features of the Pro version. Pro version has a bunch of cool features, for example integration with all sorts of external plugins, and the single site license is $129 at the moment. But if you take a look at the description of this video, there is a nice 20% discount coupon for you. Just follow the link in the description. But as I said, I'm going to show you how to use both of them. I'm going to show you how to use free version, how to set up the Pro version, and what's the difference between them. Now, when this is out of the way, let's go to the site, go to the plugins and add new. And let's search for Fluent Support. If you don't know, it is the same team that has created the Fluent CRM plugin, Fluent Forms plugin, Ninja Tables and so on. Well-respected team, so you don't have to be worried whether the plugin will be developed later. Now, as you see, more than 2000 active installations, 5-star plugin, and let's install it. I'm gonna switch back and forth between two teams because in this team I'm gonna install a free version, but on my other side there is a Pro version. I'm just later gonna show you what are the differences. Now after the installation, let's go to the Fluent Support and let's open up the settings page first. Global settings, set up the portal page. What is a portal page? This is a page that contains all your tickets. It's easy to do, just grab the shortcode here, go to the pages, add new, let's give it a title, for example, support. Now let's add a shortcode here, paste it here, publish, and done. Now pay attention that since I am an admin user here, if I open up this page, it will say that customer portal is only accessible by customers. That means you have to log in as a customer and then you'll see a page like this one here. Let's go back to the settings. I'm going to refresh it and select portal page as support. Message for non-logged in users, please log in. You can customize it. The page itself looks like this. If the user has an account, then he or she can log in and see the support page itself. Next one, you can disable public ticket interaction. That means only logged in users can reply to tickets. Also, you can choose whether to activate uploads for photos, CSVs, PDFs, zips and JSON files. If you select delete all attachment on tickets close, that means if I close the ticket, then all the attachment will be deleted. I don't do that because sometimes customers open up the tickets and it would be good to see all the attachment they have added before. Next one, ticket tags. It's a Pro feature. Let's take a look at the Pro site here. Go to the settings, ticket tags. As you see, I can add all sorts of tags. For example, billing, tech support, and so on. Now let's go back to the free version and see ticket form configuration. Once again, this is a Pro version feature. Back to the Pro page, ticket form configuration. What does it mean? That means that I can enable the knowledge base a suggestion on a ticket creation form. I can support posts, products, and so on. Let's take a look. How does it look like? I'm going to open up this one here. Let's create a ticket. Let's search for something, for example, Kamado. It's looking for similar articles, and before I can submit my ticket, it says suggested articles. Take a look at this one here. And if I open it up, it will open up the post. If there is nothing, I can just add what I would like to add. There is no similar posts and they are not visible here. So I can choose the knowledge-based post types. Posts, lessons, and so on. Some field labels I can set up, and whether to add support link to the WooCommerce navigation. That means if I open up the page itself, go to the My Account page, this one here. Let's see what happens if I deactivate this one, save, refresh, and it's gone. Later I'm going to show you how to add this one here, this messages tab. You can use it for the free version. Okay, back to the free version again. There is a custom fields option, and once again this one is for pro version only. And let's see what will it do for us. I'm gonna activate the support link for WooCommerce, and let's open up the custom fields. As you see, I have already created two, but let's create another one. Select field type. There are a bunch of field types, and now there are integrations. If I choose WooCommerce product, then the customers can choose what product is this ticket related to. Same goes with the orders, tutorial LMS courses, and so on. As I showed you before, Pro version has a bunch of integrations. If I have any of those integrated under the custom fields, I can select all those connections. So if I would like to add a connection to some product here, I can choose this one, fill the fields, press add, and it's done. And if the user goes to the support page, wants to create a ticket, then these are the relations here. I can choose order number the ticket is related to, or the course the ticket is related to. So if you need this feature, then you need a pro version of this plugin. Let's take a look at the products here. Under the products, I can add the selection to the ticket site itself. That means related product or service. It's related to the billing or return and shipping. So let's create those two here. Billing, return and shipping. Let's create another one, for example, tech support. Next one, let's take a look at the support stuff here. This one is me here, but maybe I would like to add some other stuff. I'm gonna add a agent email, names, and those are the permissions here. Whether the agents can only view the tickets or manage tickets or access private data and so on. This way you can add permissions to your own support stuff here. Next one, if I would have Fluent CRM integrated, then I could integrate support system with this one here. Incoming webhooks, those are once again pro features, and notification integrations, once again pro feature. Let's take a look at the notification integration. It's for Telegram, Slack, Discord, or Twilio at the moment. And webhooks, you can see all sorts of webhooks here you can use. And those were the settings of the free and pro version. Now let's take a look at the other cool stuff the plugin has. And that means let's take a look at the saved replies here. If I click on it, as you see, once again, it's a pro version. What are the saved replies? I'm going to show you. Let's open up a saved replies. I'm going to create one. Reply title is "Thank you for contacting us." I can add a message body here, referred product, return and shipping, save. And what will it do? If someone creates a ticket, I can open it up, reply. Now I'm going to click on templates, I can choose whatever it is here. Just open it up and boom, reply and done. And save templates are a feature that will save you a lot of time, especially if you have to answer same questions all the time. So instead of typing every time the answer, you can use a template here. Next one, let's go back to the free plugin version here. Let's open up the activities. As you see, there are no activities at the moment. On this site I have some, as you see, overall activities. Admin closed the ticket, customer created a ticket, and so on. You can see all the activities here. It's a nice way to see what's happening on your site and what's not happening on your site. Next one, we need to add a business inbox. It's for the free version and for the pro version. I'm going to add an inbox name, support email, and whether the support channel is web-based or email-based. I'm going to set it to web-based, add business box, email settings. I can manage the emails that are sent. For example, if the ticket is created, then the customer will receive this email here. If I would like to edit it, I'm just going to open it up and edit the content here. Next one, email to the customers, ticket closed to the customers, ticket to the admin or agent, and so on. If I open up the pro version and go to the business inbox, as you see, the settings are the same here. So pay attention that in order to send out notification to the admins, agents, and customers about the tickets, you need to set up the business inbox here. Now let's take a look at the workflows. As you see, it's a pro feature. Therefore, I'm going to open up the pro site. Let's take a look at the workflows. I'm going to add a workflow, give it a title, whether the workflow is manual or automatic. As you see, there is an explanation. Manual workflow doesn't do anything until you tell it to. For example, customer ticket response, and you have to execute it manually. Automatic, well, it says itself, it will run automatically. I'm going to choose this one, continue, and let's see what happens. First, I'm going to select a trigger. It happens on ticket creation. Conditions, I can set up the conditions here. I don't have to, but I can do that. For example, if the ticket priority or product is billing or ticket title contains word invoice, for example, just for the sake of it, then, and now I'm going to choose action here, assigned to the agent, support agent. Before I created another agent, and this means this ticket will be assigned to this person. So once again, if the product chosen on the support site, that means this one here, bill is chosen billing, and support ticket contains word invoice. Then assign agent as a support agent, not me, site admin, but support agent. Now I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to save it and it's done. I can add another one here. And that's how it goes. This way you can set up all sorts of workflows here. And if you would like to activate it, then publish it and it's working. Once again, it's a pro feature. Free version does not have this one. Now let's take a look at the global settings here. Let's open it up. As you see, we're back in the beginning. That means settings menu here is the same that the global settings. Okay, couple of other things. Those are the tickets. You can see all the tickets here. And let's play with it. I'm going to open up my other site here so we can see what are the tickets. So, tickets. I can filter them by status. I can choose the company I have or the inbox I have. I can filter them by product or support stuff, by priority, by priority set by customer. I can choose tags, or I can just search for them. I can reset all the filters here. I can see all the tickets that are assigned to me. I can see all the unassigned tickets. If I open up the ticket, I can reply to it or add internal note. What is an internal note? This one here. It allows you to add all sorts of comments to yourself or for your team. What else you can do? You can assign this one to the agent. If I open it up, I can set it to support agent, and now it's not unassigned. Those are the priorities here. You can change them. This one is set by you. This one is set by the customer. You can close the ticket. You can choose a product it is related to, because maybe the customer who opened up ticket set the wrong product to it. You can choose inboxes. You can merge tickets or add bookmarks. Now pay attention that bookmarks is a pro feature. It's not for the free version. What can it do for me? For example, if I add the bookmark for myself and go to the bookmarks, those are the tickets that I have bookmarked. Now if I open up a ticket, there is also some other cool stuff here. For example, I can open up the customer details here, change it if needed. I can see the bookmarks. I can add the bookmarks also from here. I can see all the previous conversations between us and the customers. As you see, there are a bunch of tickets that one has opened up. Active, close status is all visible here. So those are the tickets. Now let's take a look at the reports. You can see all the reports. Site admin has responded, interacted, opened, closed, and so on. What are the agents' results here? I can take a look. And now if I open up customers, I can see all the customers on my site. Once again, if I open it up, I can see the details. I can see all the support tickets this one has created. I can search customers. I can filter them by status, and I can block them if needed. As you see, if you select block status, then this customer cannot submit ticket or any response. And these are all the settings I needed to show you. Now let's take a look how to add a messages tab here. So if you're using the free version and you need to add a support system to your My Account page, then this can be done with a couple of clicks. That means you need to add a small snippet. I have created a thorough video about how to add custom tabs to the WooCommerce My Account page. If you're interested, then take a look at the description of this video. There is a link to it. In this video, in order to keep it short, I'm just going to paste the snippet shown in the other video, and I'm going to point out what is it you need to add to the snippets in order to show the support system. I'm going to go back to the free version. As you see, under the account, there is nothing. So I'm going to go to the plugins, add new. You don't have to add a plugin here. If you're using the child theme, you just paste the code snippet in your child theme's functions PHP file. But I'm going to use code snippets plugin, this one here, because it allows me to add all sorts of snippets without the fear that I'm going to lose the snippets after deactivating the theme or using any other theme. So install and activate, go to the snippets, add new, give it a title, port tab, and now paste this snippet here. Couple of things for you to point out. First, if you need to change the slug, then do it here. For example, customer support. If you do that, then you have to also change it here and here and here. So pay attention to that. Next one. This one is a title, for example, customer support. This is a title of the tab itself. And this one is the short code we added to the page before. If you already forgot, about it, then go to the settings, Fluent Support settings, and grab this shortcode, paste it here. And last part, let's see what happens if I remove this one, this part. Save changes and activate. Let's go to the My Account page. Let's refresh it. And as you see, there is a customer support tab, but see what happens. If I click on it, you will end up with an error message. Therefore, pay attention that this snippet says that you have to go to the permalinks and save them. That means settings, permalinks, just scroll down, save changes, back to the My Account page, refresh it, and it's done. This is my customer portal here. Previously, I removed a small piece of code here. I'm going to paste it back. And what will I do now? I'm going to reorder the tabs. First will be the dashboard. And this one here is a customer support. It's going to be before the wish list. If I save it once again and go to the My Account page, refresh, now it's here. And now it's time to see how will this work. So I'm going to grab the URL and open up it in a private window. Go to the site. I'm going to log in as a customer. Let's open up My Account page. There is a customer support tab as before. No tickets here. I can create a ticket. Just testing, for example, some message. Let's upload a file. Related product is a tech support. Priority is medium. Create a ticket. This one here is my ticket. Now let's see what will happen with the emails. And if I go to the email box, as you see, there are two emails. One for the admin, new ticket. As you see, a new ticket has been submitted. And the other one is sent for the customer. Hi demo, your request has been received, and so on. View ticket and done. If you already forgotten, then under the settings, business inboxes, view settings, email settings, you can customize all the emails here. Now let's handle the ticket. I'm gonna go back here to the tickets, open it up. As you see, there is a file that the person has uploaded. This one, Metallic Cat. Now let's reply. Thank you. And so on. Reply and close. Emails. As you see, the person has received an email. And if the customers goes to the support page, there is a status closed. He or she can open it up, reopen it, and it works like a charm. So, as you saw, Fluent Support plugin is an awesome plugin. Even the free version can do a lot for you. If you don't need the saved replies or workflows, you just need a simple ticketing solution, or you just need a simple solution to add a messages that can be sent between you and customers, then once again, Fluent Support free version can do that for you. If you need more features, then the Pro version is good choice. And as I said before, take a look at the description of this video. There is a nice 20% discount coupon for you. So just follow the link in the description. As I said earlier, I have created a thorough video how to add a custom tabs to the WooCommerce My Account page. If you're interested, then take a look at the video on the screen right now. And before you go, if you like the video, then press a like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Meanwhile, take care.